European Commission Policy Officer Ivan Keller highlights high-profile centralized exchange shortcomings as key reasons for the implementation of MiCA regulations in Europe. The collapse of FTX in 2022 and Binance's recent $4.3 billion settlement with U.S. authorities provide a strong argument for the provisions of the European Union's markets and crypto assets MiCA legislation. A European Commission official said in an interview. Ivan Keller, policy officer for the European Commission, spoke to Point Telegraph at the Money Live conference in Amsterdam. News of Binance's high-profile settlement with the U.S. Department of Justice and had broken the night before Keller's keynote and served as a pertinent reflection point for MiCA's full-scale application in 2024. I think we had several unfortunate confirmations that kind of go down that path of robust regulation. FTX was definitely one of the big ones. And now recently with Binance, Keller explained the policy officer also gave an updated view of the path toward MiCA's full application across the European Union. Hailed as one of the first comprehensive cryptocurrency legal frameworks, and globally, the regulations set out by MiCA will apply to all EU member states. About how Keller stressed that MiCA's objective is to promote innovation while addressing the risks to consumers, market integrity, financial stability, and monetary sovereignty. The scope of the regulations applies to issuers of crypto assets and crypto asset service providers and aims to tackle market abuse. MiCA entered into force in June 2023, but the application of rules governing asset reference tokens and e-money tokens, which largely fall under the umbrella of stablecoins, is expected to take effect in June 2024. And after that, rules for crypto asset service providers, which include trading platforms, wallet providers, cryptocurrency exchanges and services, will take effect in DEC 2024. Essentially, Keller added that the European Securities and Markets Authority and European Banking Authority are drafting several technical standards covering a broad scope of considerations. There's around 40 technical standards that are being drafted now. They already consulted the public on a good part of them, and that's still ongoing. They will then finalize that and then send it to the Commission as a draft, Keller explained. The Commission will then receive finalized standards as a draft, which will need to be adopted into internal procedures. Co-legislators, Parliament, and the European Council will have a scrutiny northway to increase, but having partners, Keller also said that cryptocurrency service providers have been given ample time to digest the expectations laid out through the MiCA consultation process. It's been a good 18 months since the text was negotiated. The proposal has been out for a lot of time, and a lot of these things are also kind of borrowed from the traditional rule book. Keller said, he added that, quote, a grandfathering clause in MiCA allows CAS to continue operating under applicable national rules of EU member states over a supplemental period. However, these operators would not be able to passport services across the EU. This is your brain on crypto. Substance abuse grows among crypto traders.